On the setup bar, we have stop assemblies for the door and the jamb. The door stops are used to position the door relative to all of the hinge locations. On the 350H, the location of the door stop is really not critical in and of itself. It just needs to be down far enough so that the two door stops are further away than the door is long. We're to change from an interior to an exterior jamb. We've got the head stop set for the correct head clearance on our interior jamb. Just remove that. Put our rabbited jamb in. Rotate this around so that we can use the longer stop to index to our exterior jamb.